Oh my, oh my, oh my. It's Cedar Creek time. Am I ever excited? 2016 Forest River Cedar Creek Custom. The model number is 36 CKTS. This is a full factory body paint. Oh my goodness. We got a front fiberglass cap, a rear fiberglass cap, frameless windows throughout. Ooh, squirrel! Rear ladder. See a camera there. I'm not sure if the head unit comes with. I'll take a look. We have the rear air conditioner. Look at the paint. Look how clean this is.
It's got slide toppers.
Absolutely amazing. Hot water tank. The wet bay. Look how clean. We haven't cleaned it. One, two, three, four batteries. Inverter, hydraulic system. Of course, we got the fully automatic hydraulic leveling system, as well as the hydraulic slide outs too. Power awning, outside speakers. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at the paint. Look at that. Look how shiny that is. Great spot to put your TV outside. We got cable and power connection. Okay, super excited. Let's go in. Look how clean this is. I can't believe we got it like this. All right, that table does extend. We have two other chairs out front. I'll show you those in a second. We got the MCD blinds throughout. Dual theater seats. Look how tall the ceiling is in the slide. Love it. That turns into a bed. Beautiful woodwork. We got a fireplace. Stereo, dual speakers. Awesome. Wait a minute. What's this? Star Trek! Love that! I get excited about the little things, don't I? All right, center island. We have an oven, 3-burner stove, a Whirlpool microwave. Oh, great spot for a coffee maker there, or your toaster. Super clean. Just like at home. Love it. All right, back here, we got a closet right at the entryway. More storage. You got your control panel here. This unit is prepped for a generator. It doesn't have one, but you could easily put one in. We got the Dirt Devil central vacuum system. Going up to the bathroom, that is a medicine cabinet. Skylight, a fan exactly where it's supposed to be. That is a ceramic toilet. And check out this one-piece shower. Beautiful. Master bedroom up next. Absolutely, that is a king-size bed. Opposing windows for great cross ventilation. What's this? Oh, more storage. Oh, that looks like a laundry chute. Love that. Another TV. And let's take a look over here. Haha. Those two other chairs for the dining table. It is prepped for a washer dryer. Ooh, I can see shoes there. That vacuum hose, I don't think has ever been used. This is almost a walk-in closet. Love it. Ah, Cedar Creek's amazing big build quality for sure. All right, don't take them from me. Come take a look for yourself. 80 Commerce Street, Moncton, New Brunswick, in Canada. See you soon. If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.